Hi dear students, hope you are all doing well and safe. I am Reena, your English teacher. I informed you to practice cursive writing. I think all of you have done. So use cursive writing while writing in your English notebook. Okay. Now back to our studies. Take your English textbook, Essence, Term 1 textbook. Okay. Essence, it's on the screen, shown on the screen. Please look at it and take your textbook, Essence, Term 1. Yes, in the first page you can see some activities. Okay, everyday things. First one, which of the following do you do every day? Tick the correct option. See, first one is eat noodles, go for a walk, play in the rain, fight with your sister, brother, go to school. Read the options and take the correct answers. More than one answers will be there, no problem. Okay, write three things. Next one is number 2, write three things other than those mentioned above that you do every day. You must write three things other than the things that you have seen above. Three things, that is, for example, you can write I complete my homework every day, like that. You can, three things you can write. Okay, who is the president of your country? Dear children, I think all of you know who is the president. Write the answer, we can discuss in the next class. Fourth one, which of the following the president is likely to do? Tick the correct answer. Rest when he is tired, eat breakfast, travel in the car, sing on the stage, write letters. Do this and we can discuss the answer in the next class. Okay. So, our first unit is the poem Everyday Things. The poem Everyday Things, written by Jane Eyre, tells about the importance of things that we need essentially in our daily life. The poet says that even king cannot live without everyday things. King also has to do everyday things like brush his teeth, comb his hair, like that. Okay, a great king needs to use things which are used by common man too. Yes, king and the poor man, rich man and the poor man also use the everyday things, essential things. Okay, it does not matter whether you are president or an ordinary man, both need some basic everyday things. Whether if you are a president, even a president and an ordinary man, both this need some basic everyday things. Okay, everyone needs water and soap to bath, food to eat, pen to write, books to read, and a place to sleep. All this. Okay, a rich person may have an expensive things. For example, if a rich person is combing his hair, uses an expensive comb, straight. But a poor person, what does he do? Use a cheap comb, which is not so too much costly. But the same thing they are doing is they are combing their hair. So we can go to a poem. Okay, some new words are given there. Millennials, magazine, president, weary, underclothes and handkerchiefs. So we can start a poem. Everyday things. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Were you a president, king, or a millionaire, you used to comb your hair. So millionaire means, what do you mean by millionaire? Is a person, millionaire is a person who owns 1 million of currency in the bank account or savings account. Okay, I think you have understood. A millionaire is a person who owns 1 million of currency or above 1 million of currency in bank account or in saving account. That such person is called as a millionaire. So millionaires, look at your textbook, keep your finger under each line while I am reading, children. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. So what is this sentence? What do you mean by that? Even if a person is a millionaire or a president or a king, cannot do all the things, everyday things. Millionaire also combs his hair, president also combs his hair, king also do like the same thing. So were you president, king or a millionaire, you use a comb to comb your hair. Next, if you wish to be clean, and you would, I hope you would take a bath with water and soap. Yes, if you wish to be clean, what do you do? If you wanted to be, you feel dirty sometimes, isn't it? So what do you do? If you wish to be clean, you would, what would you do? I hope you would take a bath with water and soap. Even if it is a king, even if the person is rich or poor, when he is dirty, what will he do? He will take a bath with the water and soap. And you would have to eat, and you would have to eat, if you wanted to eat, bread and vegetables, fish and meat. And when you feel hungry, what do? You eat. Even a rich person, a poor person, millionaire, president, or everybody, when they feel hungry, what would they do? What would they do? They eat bread and vegetables, fish and meat. That is rich person's is a very costly foods, isn't it? While the poor person eat cheap food items. Okay, I think you have understood those two paragraphs. Next one. While you drink for breakfast would probably milk or chocolate, coffee or tea. See, while you're drinking you drink when you're eating your breakfast, you drink some coffee, milk, some drink tea, some drink coffee, some use Horlicks, like that. Okay, while your drink for breakfast would probably milk or chocolate, coffee or tea. So it's according to a wish. Some drink milk, some drink chocolate, some drink black tea, like that. So while you drink for breakfast with probably milk or chocolate, coffee or tea, you would have to wear. Then in the case of dresses, what do you wear? You wear different kinds of dress, isn't it? You wear different kinds of dress. You would have to wear. You could hardly refuse. You cannot refuse to wear. You cannot say I don't want to wear dress. You must wear, isn't it? So you would have to wear. You could hardly refuse underclothes, outer clothes, stockings and shoes. All these things are used by all the persons. No difference between rich and poor, king and millionaires, everybody. Okay. Yes, once again I will read this poem. So listen carefully. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Were you president, kings or millionaire, you use comb to comb your hair. So what do? Millionaires and presidents, all of them use the comb to comb the hair. If you wish to be clean, and you would, I hope you would take a bath with soap and with water and soap, and you would have to eat, if you wanted to eat, bread and vegetables, fish and meat. While your drink for breakfast would probably milk or chocolate, coffee or tea, you would have to wear. Then you would have to wear. You would hardly refuse underclothes, outer clothes, stocking, shoes, etc. So children, I think you have understood this part of this poem. Read it 5 times, okay? And write the following words, new words. The following words are given. Write in your English notebook in cursive writing only, okay? Write it 10 times and learn the spellings thoroughly, okay? Only 6 words are given. Write it 10 times in your English notebook. Use only cursive writing while writing in your notebook, and learn the spellings of this words. Okay, so we can continue in the next class. Thank you.